another episode of Cooking Bely. And today we are going to cook a pasta recipe. It's called creamy salmon pasta. So for this recipe, we'll be needing our pasta. You can use any type of pasta, but here I'm going to use this spaghetti pasta. And then of course, we'll be needing our salmon. So this is a fresh salmon. And then we'll be needing our minced garlic. And then we have our Parmesan cheese. You can also use freshly grated Parmesan cheese or this kind of cheese which is, or Parmesan cheese which is available in supermarket. And then we have the butter. Of course, any brand would do. Then some cream, all-purpose cream would do, or any cooking cream, whipping cream would also do. We also have our evaporated milk. And then we have our salt and pepper. Optional ingredient is chilies, or this is crushed red pepper actually. And then, and of course, our olive oil. So this is also a very quick and easy recipe, so let's cook. Let's start cooking cookers. So here, let's boil some water for our pasta. Now that the water is already boiling, we can add some salt, and then we can already add our pasta. Then let's wait for it to be cooked. Now while we are waiting for our pasta to be cooked, let's set our fire, and we can already add some olive oil here. That should be fine. And then we can proceed adding our butter. Okay, so now that our butter has already melted, so we will be adding our minced garlic now. And then we can already add our evaporated milk. Now you need to put your fire on slow fire because we don't want to burn our, we call this milk. And then we can already add our cream. Let's add our cream. Let's just mix it. Now we can already add our Parmesan cheese. Then let's add our salt. Then we can already add some pepper. It's up to you if you want more pepper or not. Then just keep stirring it, mixing it until it's already more creamy. Then let's check our pasta because we want to make sure that our pasta remains al dente. We don't want to overcook our pasta. So yes, I normally taste my pasta. This is ready, so I'm gonna drain the pasta now. After draining our pasta, we can already put it in our sauce. Look at our sauce now. Let's add our pasta already. Look at that. Okay. That's perfect. Look at our pasta. Okay, so in a separate pan, we will be adding just a little bit of butter for our salmon. So let's melt our butter. Okay, now that our butter is already melted, we can already put our salmon. So you can just season your salmon now with some salt and then pepper. So it depends if you want your salmon overcooked or if you want your salmon like medium or rare. It's up to you, because anyway we are using a fresh salmon. Okay, so I don't want to overcook my salmon, so for me this is it. We can already plate everything. Hello cookers! Welcome back, and yes, we are done cooking our creamy salmon pasta. I told you it's very easy and quick to cook this recipe. So please watch my other videos, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.